Today I'm gonna making a video about JioPhone 2018 Wala model, and let us see the box and features. And now this phone gets an NFC support. These all the apps we will get in JioPhone: Jio TV, Jio Cinema, Jio Music, Jio Pay, and Hello Jio, Jio Games, Jio Video Call, Jio Express News, and Jio Store. And only this much of apps you will get in this one. Let us unbox. The company guy already unboxed it and showed me. Let us do once again. This is the phone, and in red box you will get a separate type of phone, and let us keep the phone aside, and the charger, and 5 volt 700 amperes milliamperes travel charger, decent for this phone. And Jio SIM for this, and other keypad guide and other stuffs. Here also they have given all their apps. Already the phone is pretty much slow. See, you can see here. And outside build quality. Tasking. And this gets an NFC support, which I already told, and now it has an 49 rupees of sorry, 49 rupees recharge for 1 month, no, for 28 days of voice and 50 SMS free with 1 GB of data. Let us see the camera quality of this phone. My camera is pretty much not good, and due to the lens problem, the Jio Cinema and Jio Music and My Jio are all pre-installed. Let us see camera. Camera is pretty much decent, and zooming option is also there. With browser, you can browse YouTube, and Facebook also is also there. We can install it also. I have connected my Wi-Fi to this one. You can connect the Wi-Fi for this one. Let us play some song. Sorry guys, the speed of the net is very slow. And the build quality is very nice, and here is there for NFC support, and at this price point the NFC will not come in any of the phones when I say, and this is the one you will get the NFC also. That's all guys. Let us see in the next video. Thank you.